Another day, another shoot. It's not really fucking cringe.
I spend a lot of time in traffic, like now.
1, 2, 3. Having a company that transforms people's homes, the only way that we can kind of prove to everybody what we do is by showcasing our work. It's not every day that we get an opportunity to be in a house like this or to have the option to do a project like this. So any opportunity we can, we'll take. This was a customer from a year ago, still over the moon with the shutters, give us an opportunity to showcase our work so the next customer can come along and see what we can do. As a product that's image heavy when it comes to proving what we can do and the variables that we offer, social media has been an amazing tool for us to put our work out there as and when we want and the consistency we want to showcase all the different styles, colours, homes, technical elements, but also more importantly for us in such a competitive industry. And one thing that we do really well is our team. So we've done a really big push on letting people see who they're inviting into their home. We're so proud of our team and obviously we just want to show the world who we are.
Because we can overlay like wider shots of the house so we see what it will be. I think that's good. Smash that one.
Thank you.
Annoying.
Oh yeah.
This is when I'm going to look. I'm going to look back at this video and think I walked like an idiot.
So another day, another shoot. Our videography team was setting up, so I thought it's a good opportunity to see some of our work. It will be on our Instagram and stuff like that, but this is a real showpiece that we're very, very proud of. I think you can see why. So this is the orangery, huge space, inverted angles. They want to maximise the light in a place like this. The shutters was a gamble, but it's really worked. And it was tricky to get everything absolutely perfect and aligned. This is great, but you'll see. It's about 400 or 500-year-old cottage. It just had a massive revamp, so we had to really find the balance between traditional, modern, contemporary, with the shutters to complement what they've already done. Because of the value of social media, we do announcements to our customer base on social media using sort of paid ads, which allows us to sort of get our brand out there to a wider audience. So every sort of 4 months, when we sort of introduce a sale, we invest a bit of time and effort into sort of the best way we can deliver it, and we pride ourselves on being the best at what we do, and we can't fall short of the level of content that we deliver as well. So we have good partners for that. This is all new to me, by the way.
You can never tell.
It's not a cringe.
No.
Moving in a little bit.
Was that good?
Yes.
Well done.
Tom, if you can hear me, I know you can. Everything's looking good.
You got it.
Got it. I'm nearly there. Just nice people. No, that's.
I got it.
One more.
One more.
Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3. So people trust us because we're personable, we're respectful. We fit over 50,000 windows, so we know what we're doing.
Yeah.
Just a little bit extra.
Yeah.
It was slightly.
Thanks. Why? That's why. Do you know what? I think we have a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun at these shoots. That was the biggest sale that we do each year, which is our Black Friday campaign. Having the sort of the Black Friday shoot there just worked because the open up with the orangery, like we probably never have a job like that again. There's not many houses that still have a window like that. So in the Black Friday campaign video, we want to showcase the fleet that we've got and how many people that obviously are there to support our customers. So we made a very silly decision on a cold October morning to get all the vans together, the fitters, the surveyors, all in one place outside our warehouse, lined up, and yeah, this is organised chaos at its finest. We'll just line up in a line
Facing that way.
facing that way. Please.
Thanks. First van down there. We'll start off with Jan, and then I think it's Dan, and then we're just going to keep going, get everyone in line, which is hard. Oh, I've got the Mercedes. Oh, look at me. Oh, it's a new car.
Yeah, your tour bag's on.
And 3, 2, 1, action.
Make sure you unlock it. Oh, first go, boy. Well done, Harry.
Lovely, thank you.
Love it, don't I?
We're done.
And we just have them like a dominoes.
You're going to be diagonally at an angle.
Shouldn't I go right to the end?
No, it's too big. No, because you've got the biggest turn. You've got the biggest people get past you there.
Like a fanned out deck of cards.
Like a
There you
fanned out
go.
deck of cards. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm here all day.
Who are you talking to?
No, I'm talking to the middleman.
Oh. I mean, what are they going to leave it back?
Can Dan go forward?
So Harry stays there.
Where's Harry going? Harry's that one. Yeah. Go
And
with
go
left
towards
hand down
Dan.
towards Dan. Put your nose towards Dan.
Yeah,
That's
sweet.
it. Perfect.
Nice, thank you.
Love that.
Happy?
I think that's really good.
Yeah?
There's a car in the way. That's why I was trying to get him back.
Oh, okay.
Where? He's over here somewhere.
Oh, there's literally a car. We might have to give up.
Just
Whose car is it?
he's over here. Just drive straight into Harry.
Jay, could you just come here a sec? We have a problem with that car. We can't fit one more in.
That's fine.
Company
Is that
Jag.
right?
Yeah.
We can Photoshop it.
Yeah.
If we really
Parking
want
behind.
to. Whose what car is that? It's fine.
Is it
It's
really?
fine. Yeah, we can
The car's
Photoshop
to
it.
move.
No, it's fine.
You sure?
And then do we want to get a video of them all driving
Yeah.
out?
We'll drive out now then, yeah?
Wheel
Yeah,
spins.
I don't know if that white car might be an issue for that.
Yeah.
But
Should I just ask her to move?
just say like we're getting all the vans out of your way. If you can just park in front of these cars. Everyone that's getting in a van, get in a van. And then we'll shout and say when we're ready to leave.
Right, see you later everyone.
Everyone ready? We'll follow you. Okay, go. One after the other. Okay, go.
So doing a campaign is one thing, but also we need to carry on with our Instagram exposure and things like that. So Ryan, who's our pre-installation director, yeah. Oh, he's going to stop now, isn't he? They've literally stopped. If you heard a drill, these video shoots are carefully planned in advance, and 10 o'clock on a Friday morning, on the 14th of November, they've decided to dig up the road in front of us. Cheers, boys. I don't even know what they're doing. Oh well, let's give it a go. So you met Ryan in the last video. He had the opportunity to go back to a house we did in West Hampstead. Unbelievable house, lovely customer, lovely location, some really unique windows there. Yeah, Ryan's going to show you exactly what we did there, how we approached it, and a little bit about what he does as well.
Busy day, as usual, at the Home Shutter Company. My name's Ryan. I've been at the Home Shutter Company since day dot, since Jason set up the business. We're best mates. My job role is pre-installation director, so I handle everything before your shutters are fitted. So running through the design with the customers, running through pricing, managing a team of 3 pre-installation surveyors that we've got, and making sure that everyone's up to speed, everyone knows exactly what the best solution is for different windows, and managing that whole design aspect and customer relationship side of things. So yeah, it's a role that I absolutely love. It's just brilliant meeting so many new people, going into lovely houses, and ultimately coming up with solutions for customers that they're not aware of, that best suit their windows and what they're looking for. And also I spend a lot of time in traffic, like now, in West Hampstead. Which is a lovely part of the world, but not when you're driving. This is another customer's house we've done it. That one there. Nightmare to park around there, but never mind. We are off to a previous customer's house, absolutely stunning house in West Hampstead. We've already done shutters for them, so we're going to be able to see what we've done and why we've done it. Run you through the design aspects, certain colours that were chosen, hardware on the shutters, and we'll be able to give everyone an understanding of what we can do and the benefits of using us. Oh my God, this is incredible. I'll tell you what, these are amazing. We've done this so we could match the aesthetics of the door. You don't really want to be seeing this behind it. So we come up with a solution where we could do a solid panel shutter at the bottom with a shaper style, which is in keeping with the property type. And then we've also got the slats to allow light to come through. So this is perfect. They look so nice. Nice pure white colourway to make the room as bright as possible. Also, we've gone for a larger size slat because we're going for thinner panels. We want to maximise the light, so the surface area of the 89mm slats, when the louvers are open, bounces light off a lot better. So this is a really unique window because we don't do many of them, but this is what we've come up with to make sure that the shutters are designed to match the doors, but also have a functionality as well. I think they look stunning. Good job by me.
Ryan went to go and film one reel, but Ryan does what he does best, chats away, and found 3 other reels that we could show. Good for the budgets.
Just shame about the Arsenal stuff on the walls, but it's just nice to see a job that you've done yourself, what you've advised your customers to do, and to see it actually finished. A little bit nervous with a film crew behind me. But I am a natural. So I felt a little bit like Dion Dublin going into Homes Under the Hammer. Look, we should be proud of what we do, right? We should be proud of our work and using our experience and expertise to have to advise customers on what's going to work best for their property, especially on such a nice house. Like, it's absolutely stunning. Like, inside, it's all designed perfectly. Lovely bathroom, and there's a need for what we have. They're not just getting it for the sake of it to look nice. They actually need shutters because they need privacy. They want to let light in. They've got these huge doors that need blocking light out. So yeah, it's all worked out really well. So yeah, I'm over the moon. So nice early finish, clocking off early. Don't tell Jason. So now I've got to do some quotes, send some quotes out to customers that I visited this morning, and then I will be going to the gym and not doing much there.
Lucky that was we got quite a lot filmed, like looking back, and obviously even from doing it myself and being involved in it, like you get blinded by actually the level of detail that we and the creating team go into filming this, and the organisation, especially with the vans, and obviously seeing the guys and their true character. Especially, I hope Dan's back's all right actually walking in there. So obviously we're still new to this as well, but our customers are giving us some amazing feedback and actually sort of coming to us and saying, look, you know, I could see you before I invited us to your home, and as I say always, our team is our biggest asset and one thing that no one can replicate, and to show it to the rest of the world is so important, especially on YouTube. It's free. We're doing this stuff anyway. We're not playing up to the cameras. This is the boys just doing their job and the girls doing their job and me just floating around and trying to tie it all together really. So we hope people do enjoy it, and there's a lot more to come. A lot more.